Hi, everybody. Good evening. Uh, Hearts to everybody who's sending hearts there. Um, let's wait if Asha Bhatt is joined. Yes, I can see Asha Bhatt. Okay, let's not delay and let's just invite Asha.
What's up?
This is very weird because all the video calls that we do on WhatsApp and we're going live like this, it's a little weird. But listen,
know, right?
okay, so I'm also going to invite, formally that we have Jungly Queen, we have upcoming Robert movie ka heroine. So let's welcome Asha Bhatt.
Thank you. Dude, it's so formal,
Okay.
no?
I know. This is, wait, am I like chopped off? My head is like chopped
you're
off.
fine. Now you're fine. You're absolutely fine.
Okay, done.
What's your
Okay,
treat?
we'll do all the settings.
How much time did
You're
it take to
fine.
get ready?
You know what? I finished video call with you like around 5 or something, and then I had like 15 minutes, and then I had to set up everything. So yes, I think 10-15 minutes.
I think that's what the pageant does to us. No, we're ready on the go. Like we can get ready in like 2 minutes, and if be it red carpet or an Instagram live.
Exactly. We can decide. If you need 1 hour of makeup, then we can do that. If you need like 2 minutes of makeup, then we can do that. So I think we're just sorted that way.
Miss Supranational is saying Supra Queens. Hey, Miss Supranational.
Hi. Okay, so what are we doing today, Asha?
I
Tell.
think first of all we have to just inform the people that this live is going to be in 3 languages because this is
Yes.
more like melting pot. The people from everywhere. So
Everywhere, yeah.
go ahead, just let them know.
So, since, I'm sure there are all the audience from like different states and all of that. So, we are going to speak in English, in Kannada, because we are from Karnataka and we speak Kannada, and also in Hindi because Asha Bhatt here is a Bollywood actress. So, there will be mix and match of all the languages. So, please bear with us, and we are going to talk in 3 different languages.
Yeah, I'm sure it's cool with all you guys.
Yeah.
Alright, Shri.
So-
So let's not keep it too preachy and whatever. It's like I know,
Yeah.
but there's still a lot of people, who really want to know about the journey from pageants to movies and everything. But there are a lot of people who also actually think that since we are pageant winners, it gets easy to, crack a role in a film or something like that. So what's your take on that?
So, see, for me, I can only speak with my experience. For me, it was when I started off, it was solely pageant focused because I really wanted to get into Miss Diva, get through the audition and win it and go for an international pageant. I don't say it is easy, but I would say it gives you an exposure, probably a wider platform because maybe getting through an auditions, reaching out to people, probably a better contacts, and in the end cracking that audition is up to you. Maybe you are whether you are a beauty pageant contestant or a winner or just an ordinary girl who's come from a small town or wherever it is. It's just all about breaking that audition for you. But probably we would get a better platform and more contacts and better exposure. I feel that's the difference. What's your take on all of this?
No, absolutely. See, a pageant will allow you to see the first circle as to what the industry is like. But to crack the industry, I think in the end of the day, if you're good in front of the camera, the auditions that you give for different roles and everything, the way you prep, the way you work on yourself, I think that's most important for be it any industry as a matter of fact.
Absolutely. So in the end, it's on you, how you do it and how you showcase yourself and how you crack your audition or whatever you're trying to do. So it's not just that you're a beauty pageant winner, so you can get things easily. I don't believe in that.
Even I don't believe in that because I'll tell you, like, my personal experience is like me winning. It almost took me 1.5 years to grab Jungly, right? And I had to audition every single day, stand in line, like hundreds of people auditioning for one particular a TV commercial or something like that. And
Sorry to interrupt, Asha, but audience here should listen to your story because you won supranational crown in 2014, and people who think that it's very easy, that you get things very easily, they should know your journey because you've really worked hard. 15, 16, 17, you've given so many auditions and you've made your way through it. So I think people should hear your story because, you know, you actually took time and you did not give up. You kept trying and then you finally got your movies.
no, that's the thank you so much, Shri. But yeah, then again, I'm not getting all preachy out here, but it's just the
Yeah.
fact that if you're good in front of the camera, if you work on yourself or the character that's given to you, in the end of the day, that's the way to nail an audition. When you're auditioning, you're not Miss Supranational anymore. You're just being that character. And I think that's most important. And that's a misconception because in every life, people keep asking me, okay, you're a pageant winner, so this would have been easy. Like, I've had my set of failures, and not many people know about it. You do.
We know, we've since I've seen you closely working hard for it. So yes, and I'm sure people know it by now that, you know, it's not that easy. It's not like a cakewalk that you can just, it's everything is served on your platter. No, it's not. So I think people know about it.
Chinna, a lot of
Then
people
what
saying
else?
Kannada, ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಪುಟ್ಟ, please.
Sorry, for all our Kannadigas and Kannada fans, let's speak in Kannada. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಆಶಾ ಮಾತಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ.
ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲೈವ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐನೋ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್, ಈ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಮಿಸ್ ಡಿವಾ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ, ಹಿಂದಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ 3 ಭಾಷೆನ ಇನ್ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸದ್ಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಕನ್ನಡ.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರೇ. ಸೊ ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ಹಿಂದಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ನಮ್ ಲೈವ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಮಗ್ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಪಾಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಂಗೆ, ಶ್ರೀಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಂದಲೂ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಗೈಸ್.
ಮೂವಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲವ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್. ಸೊ ಜನರು ತುಂಬಾ ಜನರಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Were you nervous while you were auditioning for Miss Diva?
Very much. I was about to ask you that. Were you nervous auditioning for movie or Miss Diva? So I'll tell my answer first, and probably you can tell
go ahead.
after me. Yeah. So for me, if you ask which was like the most nervous thing, I think Miss Diva, because see, I had plans of getting into movies probably a little later. First was pageant because it's age limited. You know, you have to do it ASAP. So it was all do or die. I quit my job. You know, I don't have anything. It's either you crack this or you have nothing. So, and first time Miss Diva, I saw there were people who were trying out first, second, third time. This was first time ever wearing bikini, first time walking, wearing bikini on the ramp. So all of it, I was very, very nervous. The moment I cracked Bangalore audition and Bombay audition, and I was one of the finalists, I cried so much that my father got scared, that he thought I did not make it. He's like, it's okay, don't worry, next year you try. I told, no, I made it. But I had so much of, fear and all of that I made it. And finally, when I heard my name, I just started crying. So I think Miss Diva was like very scary for me.
But you were not that nervous at Supranational at all. I know your journey personally. You were so confident. You were so confident on stage. You were so confident in the interviews. And I think you were nailing it every single day, Shri.
Probably one thing about me is I might portray full confident and all of that, but under se, thoda wo rehta hai na, that, yeah. But I think Supra, by the time I reached Supra, probably I got a little sorted and settled for the whole, Miss Diva prepared you like that. The Miss Diva organization groomed you like that you were like a little okay. What about you? How about the movie auditions or the pageant audition?
I think pageant. I actually came to like Mumbai auditions for Miss India 2014, and I got rejected in the final round of audition.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know that. And then
Yeah, I think you
that
told
was
me that.
like a kick for me. I was like, okay, fine. Maybe I was a little kacha. You know, I have to come back. I have to work hard on myself and make it. So that's when Diva happened. So I think that Miss India rejection gave me that
Boost.
boost. And I was like, from then on, I didn't bother about result. I was like, hoega to hoega, nahi to nahi, abhi dekha jayega, let's see. And then I got eliminated. Then I came back as wild card. Then I won. But Miss Diva finale, I was a little nervous. I think those were like the positive tiny butterflies which you actually
Goes
have.
around, yeah.
I'll tell you where I was nervous. My first ever TVC audition. My transition from modeling and pageants to movies. It was a Fanta audition. And there were like 50 people waiting to, you know, go ahead and give an audition. And I was looking at each and every person going before me and giving their take. And they were so good, like so good. For a moment, I thought I should just leave the room and never come back.
I know, I've felt that too sometimes. I think in one of the Garnier or some ads.
And I
The
had
people
to
are
gather
so
up
good.
courage.
Yeah, but I don't know. Like you say, you were nervous, but for me, whenever I see you, like Asha on stage, off stage, you're oozing out of confidence. So I'm like, Asha ke baare mein you don't have to worry because she's confident. She'll take care of it. You don't have to worry. So at least it seems like that, and I know you are, but at least it seems like that. So you know.
But you also know how self-critical I am. You know that.
Yeah. I think that we share on that level. We share. We never agree on any of them. We'll be like, chalo, criticize karte, और करते. So it's on that level, yeah.
So coming
Okay.
to you ask. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
So now that you know you're shooting and all of that, do you prefer day shoot or night shoot? How is it for you?
China,
What do you prefer?
At the moment, I just want to go back to the set. I really
Okay, no.
want to
Whenever you shot day and night, which was like comfortable and which was like fun and all of that.
Okay, so when I was doing Jungli, depending on the weather and everything, I used to really like night shoots were pain because it was like 6 degrees and 5 degrees, and I had like gungees and shorts. We had to sit on an elephant, and you know, and you can't wear anything on a take, and the walls used to shiver while delivering a dialogue. It was that bad. So I used to literally be like, okay, let it not be night shoot tomorrow. Let it be like sunny, bright morning, some day shot, you know, because of the weather. In Robot, I enjoyed night shoots. It was fun. I had a good time. And, you know, post dinner, I used to be all charged up.
I think so when you're actually, if all the surroundings and the weather and everything is fine, you anyways enjoy both the times. Probably with me also the same thing. I prefer day shoots only because the night shoot used to be like very cold. The weather is really cold, and then if you're wearing like a tiny dress or something like that, then your already brains are like freezing and you're switched off, zoned out. So you have to keep waking up like, okay, get up, do it. So I think day shoots are fun, but night shoots are actually fun if everything is fine around you.
The one thing that kept me going Robert ka night shoot was filter coffee. I love shooting, man. Like filter coffee and then go give your take. Hey, I think Sirish is saying hi.
Sirish, yeah.
Namaskara, Sirish.
Hi. Yella unnaru bagunara. He's like Asha avaru Srinidhi garu.
Sirish garu.
Sirish garu. Em chestunnaru. Then
Em chestunnaru.
Okay, people are asking one word about D-Boss. You will have to answer this now.
And I usually say it all my life. D-Boss to me is all-rounder. Like there's not this particular word that you can give it to him because he's so good at everything that he does. Like I still remember I can talk to him about cars. I can talk to him about food. I talk to him about travel. And you know, he literally covers entire aspect, not just acting and everything. Yeah. The just basic knowledge about life is so good that I call him an all-rounder. So D-Boss for me is all-rounder.
Like okay, what about he knows it all.
What do you think?
Well, now that it's second time again I'm working with him, the KGF 2. One thing that I really like about him is whenever he's on set, you know, whenever he gets down from his caravan and whenever he's on his set and when we are about to do a scene and all of that, he's totally in it. Like he'll be staring at you or he'll be talking to himself, but I would mistake that he's talking to me. But he's not talking to me. He's just thinking that how to do this better or how to do these lines and how do I do this. So as a co-star, it actually motivates me also to do better. Like, he's always so engrossed and he's like totally there, like for his character. How can I do this better? Or, what is that tiny thing I can add? So the most of the times that when I look at him, it looks like he's looking at me and he's telling something and I'll be like, huh, what did you say? He's like, no, I'm just thinking. So he's always that focused. So I think that's the really one good thing. Yeah, very. So for me, when I sit there and when I am about to give a shot and probably when I look at him, then, it makes me also think about my character that, okay, what can I do? What should I do? So I think it really helps. So other than that, he's very patient. Being a, newcomer, he's patient and he's chill. He actually keeps to himself, but whenever we talk, there is a tiny little bit of humorous, situations and all of that, but he's fun.
On that thought, do you think, like, if there's a particular scene, if you're working with your co-star and anything, you can have differences of opinion regarding the scene? And if so, then how do you say, like, if you have to convey to your co-star, how do you do that?
So scene with the co-star or with the director? Like,
no, with
like,
your
where is
co-star,
the...
like, suppose, like, okay, fine, like, two of us are in a scene, we're doing a scene together, but we have differences of opinion regarding that particular scene.
Okay. So for now, I'm quite new because just one movie is out and I'm working on the other two movies. So it's totally 3 movies. For me, Asha, movie is not an actor's movie. For me, it's a director's movie. So whatever director says, that's what I do. So even if there is something that there's a confusion, something like that, I'm sure that, there's a room for discussion that obviously you can ask and what's happening and what you want and how you want it to be. I'm sure if whatever the thing is best for the movie, that will be considered. As far as now, for me, it is whatever the director says, I just do it there. So I think ऐसा कोई situation आया नहीं है जहाँ पे opinions differences था. So yeah, for you, how was like for you working on 2 movie sets? And
I think I totally agree with you, and I'm actually my director's actor. Like, I really don't put a lot into what the scene is, how it should pan out and everything. Yeah. I know that this is the character, I have to live in that, and my director I trust director's vision. Like, it's the bigger picture. For me, we're all a part of film. So I don't be like, okay, hero, heroine and everything. Because there are 200 people working on a set on an average basis, like every day. So it's teamwork. And when it comes to a scene, I'm my director's actor. I'm like, sir, nimige nistano nimige heg madbeku. I'll do it. Like, jaisa chahiye, I'll do it. It's like be like water, my friend.
Same thing, same. Both the movies, the first thing I go ask Prashant or in the Tamil movie Ajay, it's like, ಇದು ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರು ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಓಕೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅದಿಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So it's what they want, so it's their vision, we just have to listen to them and do it.
A lot of people have joined now and again they're asking like ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಇವರು ಲೈವ್ ಮುಗಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ
ನಿಮ್ಮ
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ
ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಮಿಸ್ ಡಿವಾ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ಕನ್ನಡ 3 ಭಾಷೆ ಇನ್ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಫುಲ್ ಇಡೀ ಲೈವ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ,
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಖಂಡಿತ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. there's one question. Wait, B-Boss ಹಾಗೆ okay, again it's about experience like what you said earlier that he's an all-rounder.
Okay, there are 2 questions. When's KGF 2 coming? When's Robert coming out?
Okay, first you have to tell because you're almost done with Robert work. So you should tell when Robert's coming and then I'll tell about KGF 2.
I know, Shri, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. April 9 ಡೇಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. we have spoken.
ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ April 9th ಗೆ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದೋಗಿ
ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ನೀನು ರಾಶ್ 3 ಜನ ಸಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡೋರಾಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಂಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಯ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಇದ್ರು ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅವ್ರ ಒಂದ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಡೆಲ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಏನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ ದ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್. ಹೊಸ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, with
about
KGF 2, KGF 2, like ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 23 ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಸೊ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಸ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಆತರ ಏನ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದ್ 20% ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಆ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಅಂತ.
Super, super, super. Now people are saying talk in Hindi. Abhi
I think we should talk in Hindi. Please, you're jungly queen.
Sorry guys, we just got carried away. Yes, yes. Now switching back to Hindi and English.
Yeah. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we'll just go on talking in Kannada. So let's now switch to Hindi.
Hey Shri, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. I can hear you.
Okay, super.
Okay, I could see some dialogues. Okay, how about, okay, if I'm asking this question, I should be ready for the answer. Okay, how about you tell one dialogue? I know I can't ask you from Robert because it's not released yet, so let's keep the mystery. One dialogue from your movie that has come out, Jungly, please. I'm sure if you remember.
A lot of people are saying not clearly audible, Asha. Why so?
Okay, should I just like disconnect and probably invite you again?
Okay.
I can actually, I mean, it's audible.
You can hear me, right? Okay, fine. Probably
very clear, crystal clear.
Okay. So Jungly dialogue. So I have two dialogues. One would be, "Hello भैया, ये बाबू घाट के लिए फेरी ऐसे जाती है?"
That's so cute. Okay.
And then I have this dialogue like, "अगर life में risk नहीं लिया तो फिर क्या जिया?" You know, because Meera is all about taking risk and everything.
And Asha is also like that only. It's all about taking risk.
Am I audible, guys? Because a lot.
Yeah,
of
now
people
it's
are
audible.
saying I'm not audible. I wonder why. Robert
Wait.
dialogue, Asha. Sorry, guys. Nothing from Robert for now.
Yeah. ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅದ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಆಶಾನ ನಾವು ಆ ಲುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವವರೆಗೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅದು
ನಿನ್
ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ.
dialogue ಹೇಳು. What's something from King?
I was just escaping. See, first of all, none dialogue ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ half of the time, most of the time, Reena was very angry, so I can't get into angry mode. But I will.
I can be Yash maybe. I can try to be. ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಟಾಯಿಸಕ್ try ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Maybe you can say something. ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಂತ ಇದೆ?
Okay.
Yash sir,
I will tell.
first ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡು. I'll say it and then you can say.
You will come and say I love you, and then I'll be like, no. You will say congratulations.
I'll say that, then you carry on.
No, you will say congratulations, and I'll be like, what? And you'll say I love you. Why? And then you'll be like, I love you. I'm like, how dare you? I can't.
Okay. What? China, I love you.
No, yeah.
Congratulations. Oh, okay. Let's do that. China, congratulations.
Why?
I love
Sorry.
you.
How dare you? How dare you?
What was that? What was the dialogue?
How fair you? How fair you?
How fair you.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Yes, sir, is
Kill him, man.
I can't imitate him. I'm very bad.
But he did a very good job. Very good job. I think Gayatri messaged, hi queens. Hi Gayatri, hope you're doing well.
Hi, Gayatri.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
That dialogue. If you're bad, then I'm your dad.
Yeah, that's his dialogue.
ಏನ್ famous ಆಗಿತ್ತೆ ಅದು?
If you're bad, I'm your dad. I think I remember one dialogue. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ನನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಓಡೋಗಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ, ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಹುಡುಕಿ ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ದೇ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. See, I remember. One line.
ಪುಣ್ಯ.
Okay.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ,
ಪುಣ್ಯ, I know.
dialogue ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. Sorry guys, I can't.
Can you give us like a small? Okay, no, fine. Okay. What else? ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಆಶಾ.
Hey,
So
then I think we
quickly.
should play this game.
Yeah, I have prepared my
Oh my god.
It's a TT racket. It's a TT racket. So I was like, where can I stick? And I thought, okay, let me just stick the Fine by Me and Dead to Me. Can you see that? It's a mirror image.
You know what I've done?
That's all. That's all. It's okay. That's fine by me. Fine by me.
Dead to me.
Okay. So,
You want to start or should I start? You go ahead.
I have a few questions for this game that I've
Wait,
prepared.
what are they saying? They're saying, sorry, lot of Robert teaser dialogue ಹೇಳಿ. Okay.
Ashish, you have that thing, no, where you narrate it. Please tell that.
I mean, I know I could say just one line. ಅವನು ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ.
Why you tell the whole thing? No, it is any...
ಜಾನಕಿ ರಾಮ. ಮಾತ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ದಶರಥ ರಾಮ. ತಿರುಗ್ ಬಿದ್ರೆ? And then there's this entire line, you know, ನಾನು ಚತುರ್ದಶಕ ಭುವನ ಭಯಂಕರನಾದ ಲಂಕೇಶ್ವರ ರಾವಣ. And he
The
says,
moment teaser released and I heard Asha's voice, I was like, oh, Asha's voice, this is Asha's voice.
I didn't know it actually like, you know, like ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ತರುಣ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. But then when he told me, I
think it was a nice
completely dub and
touch.
send it. So
It was a nice touch.
yeah. Thank you, Shri.
It's like teaser mein Asha is there, like uska shadow is there and the voice is a voiceover throughout. So yeah, it was really nice.
ನನ್ನ ಮಧುರವಾದ ಕನ್ನಡ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಟ್ರೇಲರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ?
Not
When will
anytime
drop?
soon. I think at the release date fix ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ they'll do it. Okay, I think Avriti
Probably.
was also online. Hey, Avriti.
Hi Avriti, our super sister.
Oh my god, I think I lost her. Avriti, hi.
I think I saw the hearts just went up. That goes so
If we take
fast.
her question and then go to the game, no? So that's why I'm like, if she has anything to ask.
No, I just saw she has like just sent some hearts. Ashte question irlilla.
Okay, then let's start with the game. I think people are waiting.
Yes. Oh, Avriti said hi.
Okay, she's
Yeah, she's here.
okay. I'm really enjoying this. She's saying, hey, thanks.
I'm sure half of the things she won't be able to understand because we're talking in Kannada. Sorry, Avriti, but then we're just talking to Kannada for our Kannada fans.
Sing one song in Kannada. Yo, Bhagwanta.
Oh, I forgot. So Asha, but here, I'm sure I don't even have to tell because people have seen her music videos on her Instagram. But I think Asha, you have to sing like at least 30 seconds or at least.
ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಹಾಡೋಣ ನೀನ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ
ಹಾ ಸರಿ
ಓಕೆ
ಸರಿ ನೋ ನಾನ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಓಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ ಯಾ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಶಾ ಭಟ್ ಅವರು ಹಾಡ್ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊ ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್
ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್
Yeah.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ
Okay, so ಏನ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll be asking some questions and if Asha is okay with that then she will show fine by me and yeah if she's not okay with that then she'll show dead to me okay na ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ತರ okay wearing same clothes for more than 3 days fine
I think I'll do this huh better
okay fine by me hi Adeline porluda ponnu irla mastu porluda ponnu she just spoke in
oh
Tulu,
Adeline can
so.
speak Tulu right yeah
Yeah, she's from Bangalore.
ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶಾಗ್ ಮಾತಾ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಬಹುಲ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಮಾತಿರ್ಲಿ ಆಶಾಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು
ಪೂರ ಪಾತ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಪುಜಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಶಾ ಮೂಡಬಿದ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಮಲ್ದಿನಿ ಸೊ ಅರೆಗ್ ತುಳು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪೊರ್ಲುಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ dead to me no not happening getting ready for live only was like too much after 2 months of quarantine okay following the diet plan and not being able to have your cheat meal
I don't diet
lucky girl for me it's bad dead to me no not happening at all you don't diet Asha how I envy you man how okay
Sumnu Putta, you call for biryani when you're lying in a hospital bed, okay? This is the secret I have to tell all the fans. Srinidhi Shetty's fans. She is in a hospital and she calls for biryani. That's our Srinidhi Shetty.
what is life without biryani tell me okay so binging on series whole day
I think
And
you and I
yeah.
will both agree. If it's Korean series, then
We've started with this some new thing. Oh, we've got this Korean K-drama watching. I know that K-pop is all on, trend and all of that. We have started K-series also all trending. So I think we are okay to binge
and I
and
did that
watch
because
series
of
whole
you.
day.
So thanks to you. And our next
Thank
trip
you,
is
Asha.
to
Okay,
South
you're welcome.
Korea once this is all is over.
We will. We will. We're traveling. We're traveling together. I can't wait to go there and do all crazy sort of things. But yeah. Do you have any other questions for this game, Asha?
Yes, I do have it. Showering every day.
Okay, should I reveal it to people? But I know, sure. But it's like a work. It's like an extra work for me.
I have to. I have to.
Come on, Bombay weather is so humid. You will have to. See, Bangalore right now it's lightning and raining, so it's like very cold.
Okay. Letting your best friends choose your wedding outfit if you're ever getting married in future.
Mm, I think both fine by me and dead to me. In the sense, I think if it's, I'm sure if it's my friends, then they'll know what are my choices and options. So I think they'll choose a
Yeah,
good
if
one.
it's
So it's
someone
okay.
like me
Fine.
or Rosh, I think we can do a good job
Yeah.
at deciding what you're going to be.
I can go blindly. Yeah. So it's okay.
Okay. Washing utensils for an entire year.
No, and I think you have to answer this. Like whenever you question, you also answer. No. 2 months of washing and cooking. Asha and I have decided not to step inside the kitchen for the rest of the year, I guess.
You know, in quarantine, like off late, 60 days straight, I was cooking every single day. I was really excited. I know, right? Like I was sending you all the pictures and everything on the group. Now
I
I'm
should tell that also, yeah.
Yeah, no more happy and excited anymore. Now I feel saturated.
I
I'm
should
like,
tell this about Asha that you should see Asha's pictures. Like she's the only one who is living in that house, and the food that she used to prepare, it's like Korean meal, Japanese meal, and you have what not, Italian, European, and it's like I don't know for whom is she even cooking. And for me, I don't know, it was so difficult to cook. And Asha had this what fancy food. She cooks, she eats, she cleans, and she sleeps. And next day again the cycle repeats.
and I sent
Asha,
you pictures.
hats off.
And I sent
She
you
sends me pictures, yeah.
Yeah.
So now don't you cook? Like the craziness has gone down.
Not crazy anymore because I'm saturated. Now I'm like, okay, bread butter's fine.
Yeah. No. I resonate with you on that.
Ha! It's almost 30 minutes. Matarta. Did you realize?
I swear I know. And that's what I wonder that if we start talking, time is just gonna go.
And we talk.
We didn't
Like,
see Rosh. Rosh is not. Okay, let's take 2-3 questions from the audience. I'll pick
You can
3
see
questions
that.
for you.
yeah, you only choose
Yeah.
questions. You do it. You're the driver's seat today. Go ahead.
Never ever give me that seat. I'm very bad. Okay, anyways. Okay, people. ನಾನು 3 questions pick ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So ನೀವು questions ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಇವಾಗ. ಅವ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿ ಬಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿ ಬಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಟೀಸರ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾರಿ.
Already teaser dialogue.
Oh, teaser dialogue ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು. Sorry, I thought the movie dialogue. Okay, teaser dialogue.
No. Teaser I did.
Okay. People are just sending hearts. Let me see if they have any questions.
About your sisterhood at Supranational. Someone has asked that. This is really nice.
Oh, who? Sorry, I didn't get the question.
I missed the name, but there was this question about, sisterhood at Miss Supranational.
Yeah, I think you should talk about that also. It's very cool. Wait. One question I missed.
Suparna, you both are super cute. Thanks, Sups. Right back at you.
Okay, somebody is asking, where are you now? Both. I am in Bangalore and
I'm in
Asha
Mumbai.
Bhatt is in Mumbai. She's in Mumbai. Thank you, Suparna. Okay, so next question.
Hey,
Kahan hai itna? It goes so fast,
how
yeah.
old friends are Srinidhi, Roshmita, and Asha? Oh,
Since 2016?
yeah.
Since 2016. Correct, alva?
ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. No, they're asking about sisterhood at Supranational.
Thank you. The bond is still alive. That recently we uploaded a video.
Yeah.
So that itself shows that 2009 से लेके 2020 तक we are all still connected. We're all still interacting with each other, and at times like this, challenging times like this, we come together at least to share a message and create awareness. I think it's really nice. The whole Miss Supranational family and all the winners and all the girls, and not just the winners. I think Nim batch, like your 2014 batch, I'm sure you have a group. 2016, I have a group where we actually talk. So it's still connected, very much connected.
Where I had the best time of my life was that 10th anniversary of Miss Supranational, where we were all together and we had our
Thank you.
blast in Poland, and it was
I
so
know.
amazing.
It was so brilliant that they did that like that. They invited all of us for the 10th year. I think it was a brilliant idea.
Thank you, Miss Supranational. Thank you so much.
I know. Thank you, Gerard, and everybody, the entire team. Okay, I think the questions. Asha, you will have to pick, please. Other question pick, Maru.
Again, Kannada Kannadal matadidivi.
Yes, I studied in St. Aloysius.
Sorry, can't talk about. Oh, which is your spirit animal?
Arey, that is my sister. No. Okay, you answer this. Hi, Priya. Okay, you tell which is your spirit animal.
Elephant.
Nandu, cow.
Oh yeah, you
just lifts my any moment. I just see a cow, it just lifts my mood up. So it's cow.
I love elephants. I think I'm more like an elephant. May not be physically, but yes, mentally for sure.
And how fortunate you got to work with them so closely. Imagine that.
And Shri, you know that, right? I never had a pet ever in my life, be it a cat or dog. And like the promotion was to elephants. Sida, I like to work with them.
And don't tell me you want to have elephant as your pet now, please. I'm sure you want to, but let's just keep it to dogs or cats.
Let's keep this to
Okay.
WhatsApp group call now.
Yeah. No more that. No more of it. Okay. ನನ್ ಶೀತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಮಳೆ
Only full shade.
Okay, Avriti Chaudhary. Okay, she's asking any funny incident that happened at Supra. Asha, I mean, let's just take a moment to remember.
Funny.
But
ಹೌದು ನಂಗೆ ಗೆದ್ದಾಯ್ತು 6 years. Funny.
I think, I mean, I don't know if this is really funny or not. So I had never seen snow. Never, ever. So the first time it snowed was, if finale, if tomorrow is a finale, the previous day it snowed big time. So I did not think straight that if I go out, I'm going to catch cold and fever. But I was so excited that I'm actually looking at the snow for the first time. And, I'm actually touching them, feeling them, that I went out. I spent a lot of time outside. Then I came inside next day morning. I was so sick. I was literally like that. On the stage, I'm sure they did not capture it, but I was literally pulling, I'm like, okay, let's just hold it all in. Let's just be there. So I was sick. It's funny and sad.
Like that. You are pretty much like that. You even injured your leg while you're about to go and judge the next day. I remember.
Mr. Supra, oh God, I can't believe.
You got a fracture. I know that.
Fracture. Yeah. Okay, tell me about your funny moment.
Me, I think initially when I went, I was trying to learn like Polish, and Polish is kind of hard, right? So I think a chaperone or something had mistakenly taught me something ulta, like good morning and good evening. It was something else. And I went on saying good evening in the mornings, and I went on saying good morning in the evenings. And I
can imagine people staring.
So much confidence. I was like, like saying Jin Dobre in evenings. So I was like,
Jin Dobre.
That, okay, sweetheart, this is where you're going wrong. This is apparently good morning, and that's for good evening. I was like, oh. So for me,
but I'm sure the conviction that you would have said, people would have got confused. Is it morning or evening? It's something like that. They'll be wondering.
You can't convince them, confuse them, no?
Yeah, that's the rules that we should follow. Actually, we can't convince, just confuse the hell out of them. Okay, look at that. Somebody sent hi Shetre, hi Batre.
Alright.
True, Shetre and Batre.
Hey, this is actually nice.
Yeah, this, and I'll tell you what, I know that if it is you and me, we can actually talk for long time.
Yeah,
But
I
yeah,
know.
we'll have to.
Okay,
Okay,
any more
last two
questions?
questions.
Okay, last two questions.
Some nice questions. You pick some
Asha,
nice
but fan
questions.
is saying, please come to Run of Kutch. I've been there, I've worked there, but for sure I'll get Srinidhi also on a trip. It's beautiful, Sri. You have to see.
Yeah, I've not been. I want to go. Okay, tell something about Bhadravati memories. Kaushi Kush.
Bhadravati, I miss home. It's been ages since I've been there, Bhadravati. You know what the first thing?
ಯಾವಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಭದ್ರಾವತಿಗೆ?
Last October ಅಂತ.
ಏಯ್, ಒಂದ್ ವರ್ಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆಯ್ತು. But I really miss Bhadravati.
ಮಿಸ್ ಭದ್ರಾವತಿ.
Miss
ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Bhadravati. I live alone here. Parents are in Hawaii. They can't come here because of all these, COVID and everything. Green color masala puri Shri. We get it in Bhadravati and it's amazing. You have to
ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗು, ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗು, ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗು ಭದ್ರಾವತಿಗೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಮಾತೆ.
Then we'll have a trip, one trip ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ, one trip ಭದ್ರಾವತಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Mangalore bhaji, Mangalore buns, sutte ugri, chutney, ghee roast. I'm a vegetarian, so I'll have
Mangalore ಹೋಳಿಗೆ, buns, ಗೋಲಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿ. Wow.
Robert Settali, the first thing that I ate the very first day when I went for a look test was holge.
ನೆನಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ನಾನು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮೈ ವೇಟ್. ಏನ್ ತಿನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೆನಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡ.
Someone saying Roshmita ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು. ಯಾ,
See her, but
she's not here.
this is the time.
Rosh is like, what can you say about Rosh?
She's a
She's
dynamite.
actually, yeah, she's like a explosive. She is, sometimes there are off days for her. Sometimes she's like rooftop. She's just gone. Gone kissara. But yeah, she's fun.
And the
Because
element
Asha and I, we are very, at least Asha is a lot. She's like controlled and strict and all of that. Naan ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. But Asha and I'm like we are on the same team. But Rosh is the one who comes and lightens up and she's like, okay, let's go out, let's do something. It's Rosh.
she's fun. I think the element defines her. She is very fiery. Like she's fire that represents her spirit. And yeah,
Somebody actually told the same thing. Rosh is quite the fairy spirit. Oh no, fiery or fairy or just a fairy
she's
spirit.
a
Super
I
fun.
think
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
Fairy, but she's like
Fairy,
fire.
okay.
Like she's dynamite.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay. Any
Okay.
more questions?
Okay, I'm just gonna take this one. How is your Tamil movie going on? So it went really well for all the shooting part that I've done, but again, unfortunately, Corona situation, we could not finish. It's on break, and I can't wait to start my work soon and get back on Tamil sets as well. So yeah, I'm waiting.
You look
It's still.
stunning in the film.
ನಿಂಗೆ ತೋರ್ಸಿದ್ನಾ ನಾನು?
I'm just saying you look stunning. Yes, I've seen
Oh.
the little one. You
Still, ಹೌದಾ? Okay.
she's looking amazing.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೇಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, KGF 2 ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ನನ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ಮೂವಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್.
Okay, future projects. Can't talk about it at the moment.
ಅರೆ ಏನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, which has to be released, that has to be released. So
Okay.
yeah.
You guys should act in Kannada movie together. Thoughts? Yes.
Fine by me, I can't wait to do that.
Someone please write a script and sign us. Please.
Yeah.
It's a humble request from Bhatru and Shetru.
Shetru Bhatru, we are ready. ಇಬ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಮೂವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. I just hope we are now ಕಿತ್ತಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We are not killing each other in the movie. Apart from that, all okay.
Yeah. I think we can never do that also.
Director can make us do that.
Like in the movie, yes, we can, but off the screen, I don't think.
Off screen, yeah. No. Off screen, we can't.
Okay, so should we sign off?
Okay, one last. Robert movie, ಎಷ್ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ?
I think ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಅಂತ
Varun.
ಹೇಳಿರೋದು, I think declare ಆಗಿರೋದು. But I think these questions, if I divert it to Tarun sir and the producer sir, it will be better.
True. Very true. Okay, I think, yeah, I mean, quite a few people joined. Srini, tell my name. I'm just gonna tell that person's
No, they're
name. Where
saying
is it?
no, don't go.
Balaji Dinkaran. Don't go, ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು and we're chit chatting here. People are like, okay, let them talk and let's just sit and have fun.
Illa, I have to go. I have a big thing to do. Like sit and plan what I'm going to eat for dinner.
Asha, please, can you stop? ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ if you don't cook something fancy meal today one night. It's okay.
Ayyo.
ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Okay, what are you going to cook tonight? Anyways, we're on the topic, so.
I think I'll make some couscous salad.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? Guys, did you even listen to that? Couscous salad. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೇನಾರು ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಾಗಿ ದೋಸೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ it's the fastest, okay?
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಸಂಡೆಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ರಾಗಿ ದೋಸೆ, ಕಡ್ಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ, ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ. ನನ್ ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ ಮಿಠಾಯಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. I think you'll have to see ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ and then probably shop all of that and then ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. I'll do gulab jamun. So we'll share. You do kobri mithai this weekend. I'll do gulab jamun.
Did you just say gulab jamun? I'm signing off.
Sorry, I'm not supposed to eat after radios. Okay, so thank you guys. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು live join ಆದಕ್ಕೆ. Thank you so much for all of you guys who have.
Shri.
Oh yeah, song. Sure.
ಕುಣಿದು ಬಾರೆ ಹಾಡೋಣ.
Disclaimer, Asha Bhatt is a singer. I'm not a singer. So I'm not even singing. ನಾನು ಹಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಲೆನೋವು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So please Asha, you go ahead and sing.
ತುಂಬಾ modesty ಬೇಡ, ಸಾಕ್ಪುಟ್ಟ ಹಾಡು ನನ್ ಜೊತೆ.
Asha, are you kidding? You know, right? Are you kidding?
Okay, I'll sing. I'll start from Charana and then we'll sing the chorus together.
Done.
Ignore my voice, please. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇರುಳಾಲಿ ನೀನಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ಮುರಿದರೆ ನನಗೆಲ್ಲಿ ನವಿರಾದ ಹೋ ಕಂಪನ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಕಣ್ಣಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಸೆಳೆದರೆ ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಥೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ರೋಮಾಂಚನ ಕುಣಿದು ಬಾರೆ ಒಲಿದು ಬಾರೆ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವ ತಂದವಳೆ ಜೀವಕ್ಕಿತ್ತ ಸನಿಹ ಬಾರೆ ಒಲವೇ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಒಲವೇ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೇಮ ರೂಪ ಕಂಡ ನಾನು ತನ್ಮಯ. ಹಾಡೆ ಹುಚ್ಚು ಹುಡುಗ ನೀನು.
Can you continue? It's so good, Asha. I mean, I've always been a fan of your dancing and singing, but can you sing that song? My favorite song.
Huh?
My favorite song.
Okay, what?
ನಾನು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಅಮೃತ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಇದು
ತುಂತುರು.
ಹಾ, ತುಂತುರು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಗಗನದಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀ ನನ್ನ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹಣೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿ ಹಾಡು ಎಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಾಡು ಎದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾಳಿ ತಂಪು ಗಾಳಿ ಪೂರ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರ ಗಾಳಿಯೊಂದೇ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳಗೋ ಇತಿಹಾಸವೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಹಚಾರವೇ ಚೈತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ
ತುಂತುರು I was waiting for that only. But ನಿಂಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Anyways, ಆಶಾ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ, so I can make her sing all the time. But people are very happy with your song. People are very happy. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
I think they're saying Hindi now. Ayo.
Okay. I'm all yours for your songs, so please.
ನೀ ನನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪುಟ, that's the thing.
China, that will ruin the song.
Okay.
Can you
2
please
lines
sing?
in Hindi and then we are signing off, okay?
Done.
मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह न लागे, किस तरह गिरा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा, जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरा ये सुलझे. Okay. Kannada Hindi song.
Is there anything you can't do? Is there anything that you can't do, Asha madam?
You know the list.
No, genuinely people are telling, is there anything that she can't do? There's nothing. Guys, there's nothing.
Shri, ಒಂದೆರಡು ಹಾಡ್ ಲೈನ್
Okay, guys, Papa, Shri, please you sing one song ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆ. Trust me, I'm not even, I don't even deserve to be a bathroom singer, so my voice is really not good, so let's cut it.
You're being very modest. Okay, ನಿಮ್ KGF ಇಂದು ಧೀರಾ
Amma! I can't sing, what are you doing?
ಎರಡ್ ಲೈನ್, I'll back you up. ಉಸಿರ ಕೊನೆ.
No, you sing, I will back you up. You sing, I'll back you up.
No, you're singing.
Asha,
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
if my director by chance watches this song, so he'll not take me back on set after singing this song.
ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ just 2 lines. Okay, I'll back you up. Go ahead.
Asha, you start, ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋರಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಆಶಾ, ನಾನು ಕೋರಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay.
ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಬಾಯಿಂದ.
ನಾನು ಧೀರ ಧೀರ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಧೀರ ಧೀರ ನಾನು ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀ.
Okay, ready? No, you're singing with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. ಉಸಿರ ಕೊನೆಯಲು ಮಾತು
ಮಾತು ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ,
ಮುಳ್ಳು ಹಾದಿ ಸಿಗದೆ ಜಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಡೇ
ನೀನ್ ಧೀರ ಬಾ, ನಾನು ಧೀರ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಧೀರ 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 ಧೀರ
ಸುಲ್ತಾನ, ಧೀರ ಧೀರ
ಧೀರ ಧೀರ
ಸುಲ್ತಾನ.
Okay, so now Srinidhi Shetty fans are very happy. Ki madam sang 2 lines from her song.
Okay, actually they're asking for D-Boss song. Do you know any from our movie in the? ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Sang ಒಂದು ಮುಂಜಾನೆ long back.
Oh, ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Okay. People are just going crazy.
I love that song. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದು.
Okay. All right. We are done with the song.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Also, today is Amrish sir's birthday, and I think it's. I think let's just like, if he was there here, it would have been a blessing.
Very nice.
But he's left his legacy, and I think we should be all like really happy and grateful for that. So, happy birthday!
And I'm very privileged that namdu KGF trailer release aguvaga, the trailer release aguvaga, Amrish sir avariದ್ರು. He was the one who was sitting, like a guest. He was a chick. So that's the time I met him. That was the last time I met him there. I think we were like.
I had an opportunity to meet him. I never got to meet him and everything, but I always watched his films. And now that he's not here with us, nevertheless, he's left his legacy, and I think we should all follow his footsteps.
Yes, true. He's a legend. Dr. Rajkumar agli, Vishnuvardhan agli, Amrish agli.
All right. I think it's time. We'll take your leave, guys. It's been a wonderful session. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. Constantly ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, hearts ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. आप लोग भेज रहे इतना सारा hearts, message, everything, likes, and we're super duper happy. And keep supporting us like that. ಹೀಗೆ support ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನಮಗೂ ಓದಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. I can say this on behalf of Shri also. It's really nice to read comments and
I know. It's always the good things. It's always, they're so sweet. It's always encouraging words. It's always support words. So I think ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಈ ಲೈವ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದಕ್ಕೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದವರಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಅಂಡ್ Lots of love.
All right. I know even we are feeling bad to sign off, but lots of love, guys. Thank you so much, and please
Take
everyone
care.
stay safe. Yeah.
Yeah. Take good care.
Okay.
Bye. Bye, Asha. I'll
Bye,
see you. I'll talk to you.
Ah.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.